think like a blood clot dog. Me nah restart, me I go sleep. Anytime I come off after this, me I go sleep. Eh? I that you no do no walk around on TikTok and cuss blood clot people every blood clot day if you get views. Dirty thinking drunk crow. You all only didn't talk about me bagga. Look pan uno a ton bagga now. Look pan uno a ton bagga now for views. Me used to the on TikTok a cuss and attack certain things. No to blood clot you no come out now. I cuss blood clot people if you get blood clot views. Who bagga now drunk crow? Nice blood clot girl like you. You're supposed to put out some nice look of content and rate and beautify your blood clot. If you're in a bagga talk about any pussy rest by your blood clot forehead. My pussy de by your forehead drunk crow. How much pound? Or heavy it be? My pussy a wear you down. Hey girl go nyam blood clot shit. You come like a gingy fly pan bumbo clot shit. Drunk crow. How that girl man? Who is you? Who is you? Girl in a style. You you think like a dog. Anyway, move on. I can move on. Ready. I can move on from that. Run gone over the blood clot man live. Eh? Oh, and you I don't want to say something to you, you know, but you go and you fuck some bag of pussy. You could put your dick in bag of pussy and bitch, please. Clap that. Calm down. Think like a blood clot dog. Hello, Tada man. I run where she forget run where. How she be? How she be? Y'all forget run where man. Chat people. Your response to whom I want there with? Eh? Anyway, so guys, when I talk here, that's something I want to talk now. So, to be honest, I'm going to say something, a lot of you go vex. Alright, and I saw it go. But you see nowadays, I depend on the internet, I realize a lot of things, you fuck. I have someone I go say. And many of you go feel vexed over it. And I think some of you go understand. Right? I don't even know if to start off, bro. I don't understand a whole heap of things with Jayden. I don't understand. Alright? I don't understand a lot of things with Jayden. I love Jayden. Swear to God, I wouldn't disrespect him in our world. You see me? I wouldn't diss Jay. Nobody can make me come and second this Jayden, but I don't get Jayden. You understand what I say? Right? And I want someone to listen to what I have to say. Instead of me do some things and hurt my kids them, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it because I love my youth them. I love my kids. You understand me? I don't understand. I just not get it. I there son, I always try. I go continue to try. You see me? But you say if a person going to make me uncomfortable, I don't know. The first thing I go start off and say, Jayden and Meko no there. Jayden and Meko down there. And I hope everybody get that. Jayden and Meko no there. You understand what I say? So, thank you, baby. Thank you. Okay. So, I want everybody forget that through them brains. Say Jayden and Meko no there. Alright? And that's all I can say. Talk to Meko. I talk to Meko. Meko a big girl. I talk to her. I never put none of them together. I talk to Meko. I make me can understand. You understand what I say? Hey, Queenie, don't cry, fly, fly. But a lot of things I don't understand and I don't really get. You see me? So, just hope me can just stick out her thing and hold her composure. You understand what I say? I think Meko started to show people say him and him not there. And just do what she have to do. Because she been on TikTok long time and do her thing. You understand? I don't know, I don't really know what go on. But I just want Meko hold her composure and you get me? I not cry now. I not cry. It's just as I say, I don't know what go on. But if you make me feel uncomfortable on a level, I think I understand say my time. You see me? Okay, I feel uncomfortable that time when I say okay then. I don't know if a styling thing or what. You see me, but when Meko need to know herself, I'm going to tell her already and I talk to her. You understand me? I tell her and I say this straight up. It's not good to play with people's feelings. And it's just the truth. If you want to hate me, you can't hate me. It's not good to play with a person's feelings. You understand me, especially a young girl. You understand what I say? It's not good to do that. You understand? And I just know I try to talk to Meko, make she understand. So you can hold back from now instead of you get late. Play with a person's feelings where truly feel like say, yeah, you care. It can do you a lot of damage. You see it? And bag of styling things sometimes don't work. Because sometimes you have people who genuinely love you and love you for just you, know your money. You have people more while just love you for the person who you is. You see it? Meko and Jayden not there. I want to get that. Alright? I want all to know that. You see me? Make that understand to your whole crowd. Go suck your mother. I just say it there. Because I'm not black no now. No. I don't have nothing more to say. Eat the food. I continue to talk to her. I continue to talk to her. I continue to talk to her. I'm not going to talk to her now because them a young teenager here. Sometimes them have something in their brains and no matter how you talk to them not going to listen to you. You understand what I say? They're not going to listen to you. I want to know them are young people here stay. They will feel like I fight against them. All along me I talk to her. I never know me I talk to her. Me I talk to her all along. All along me I talk to her. So, I just wait till she cool down. Me can reason with her on a level. Because she have good understanding. You get me? It's just that as I say, it's not good to play with another person's feelings. You know them look away there? Yeah. Yeah. Listen. Listen. Who you say for add you? Which person me for add? Put her back here where you say add you. Yeah. I just make it crowd know say yeah and Jayden not there. Come off. Me not go up talk no more. Me mute you. Push Jayden Wingy towards Fide with Jayden. I want to be truthful in the chat. To how it look like a me put my daughter Fide with Jayden or force my daughter Fide with Jayden.
Look, see, looking at comments and look now.
Jayden, you still get yes and you get no.
I'll be a yes in the comment.
You see me?
Be a yes in the comment, bro. I'll mute it now. I'll be a yes in the comment, bro. Start off with yes.
I mean, always get the shitty another bumbo clat ticket.
I tell you, man. Let me not tell us already, man.
Taj, come in. Taj. Call him. You didn't know say everybody else and me set up with Jayden. I mean I push my daughter up on Jayden.
Some people said, some people not said. But no, I'm not going to.
You know me as a person, I don't force me pin upon man. You see me? Also. Just put everything together. You see?
Ready?
You want to eat the food and so get it something them put together, please. I don't want the food. I don't want no food. I don't want no fucking food. Is it? I don't want no food. I'm good. Me get blamed for every blood clotting in life. And me get blamed for crucify all blood clot God. You hear me tell you? And me get blamed for them when them thief Jesus Sanders to rascal. And me get blamed for everything. Me get blamed for everything. You see me? When Mary frack did tear, and me get blamed for it. Everything. And me. That's it. Life I do so. This is so. Wait.
She's fine. Optimus Prime. What me do? Me don't do nothing. I'm not, bro. I have.
Oh.
You tell them to lead on Meko. Jesus Christ.
Guys, nobody not tell us saying leader on Meko. And nobody get it twisted in the comment section. I say me say my Meko no there. I wanna say yes, wanna know. Wanna say wanna know.
Me can't have nothing, bro.
Yeah, me talk about the feelings part, of course, because my daughter have feelings, and I said that. Me always true to my words when me say. You understand?
Me shot her a message and she never understand the message. I see it. Don't tell them it.
No, me not gonna tell them the message. Yeah, loud that, but I just talk, so like when I talk now, me can talk as he.
Right. Jesus Christ.
So you give me some toothpaste now and toothbrush and something, now brush my teeth. Mama, don't you give me one of this?
Jesus Christ, it's like I don't want to push. I don't want to push back me thing. Wow, Jesus have mercy. I have to go. I should have to go explain to me, bro. Bro, Bro, me and nobody know nothing, bro. If me brawl out on the internet say I want somebody more. So I got on it. Your time up. You boy?
Yeah, I'm going.
No, so me can't do nothing. Yo, you see? Them people boy, you better me tell me all now. You was out for what? You was out for what, bro? For what? Stop, brother.
That you don't want me to care.
They must say you tell them say me lead on Meko.
You said over and over, I'm going to say it again. You know, go for play that person's feelings. That's what I said.
I'm not gonna say that.
Cause Meko have feelings.
For me?
Jayden, just go. Don't know what to hear.
Well, when a girl see me still, a girl got feelings, you see it. When a girl see how I look nice and say, girl, them must have feelings. Of course, them have got them. Them have got feelings. Because look, Annie probably have feelings for me too. You see it.
Why mother have feelings here?
Like feelings.
What kind of feelings?
Like motherly feelings. Add the fabric. So I mix up, man. I mean add fabric. For Annie like this. I don't know if Annie and Fabi good.
You want me?
Yeah? Yeah, unmute. No, I'm not paying nobody feelings. Everybody know me, huh? So who I play with who have feelings? Me have feelings, yes, of course. Everybody have feelings. I just know think, I just know this will come up and put me no further step back in life, you know? And put no further step back in my progress that I have going on. You see it.